I'm gonna put it on my desk. Alright, YouTube, this is where we at with the vet build on the vet. Got one head off. Got all the pumps and pulleys off the front. Well, all the pulleys and pumps, basically. Well, alternator. Got the alternator off and the bracket, the water pump. Got the head off, the fuel rail on the passenger side. So now I gotta do driver's side, same thing. Valve cover, rockers, push rods, head. Got the header out as well. So that's gonna be like a trash pile. Head is right here. I'm going to do the same thing to this side right here, take the headers off and everything. Once I do that, then I'm gonna got the supercharger over here. Got this old intake taken off, the old throttle body taken off. I'm gonna get that new one put on, but I gotta get this pulley off first. So put the drop pulley down. Hey, I'm gonna get rolling, man. Alright, so right now I'm doing the heads. I've already done the rockers. So I got them swapped out with the needle bearing, swapped out with the C.H.E Precision Trunion Kit. So I got the needle trunnions out, needle bearing trunnions. So this is basically what they look like. Boom. And this is the piece they sit on. So it'll sit on there like that. And that part will sit on like that, and it just rotate like a bearing. With the needle bearings. And then on the inside you have those. And if you ever over rev your engine, those will fly out and go all over the engine. Tie the rocker up. Got one head done already. So we just did the valve spring set. I have to clean the heads now. So I'm gonna do that next. But yeah. And then clean the bottom of the head as well. So yeah, the vet is coming along very nicely. So yeah, GPI LTPD1. That don't need it for real. Mainly just the bearing, but you can do it on lifted loads. Gotta make sure I hit the dang on radiator. This shit like a Green Goblin.
Come on, KD.
So you can't just jam that bitch in there. You're gonna mess with the cam bearing.
Of course. What stage is it?
Look like a stage 1. Stage 1 boost cam.
He should have went ahead and went with the stage 3, man.
I thought that what he had, but I looked at the back of the cam and it said PD1. So, alright then. Use this right here. Hey D. Do you know what stage this cam is?
You straight, bro? What stage is it?
Stage 1.
What?
Yes, I thought it was a 3.
You straight, man?
Yeah, I'm straight. Why you do it like that?
Huh? You said, why you came here smiling?
Oh, cause I'm over here looking at 2 LT4s in the same parking lot.
Got a bunch of LT1s.
I know, I ain't standing at LT1. LT1 straight.
Shit, wait till we get them LT2s in this bit.
Let's start turning them up. How the stock cam?
Shit. Not bad at all.
You know what's crazy?
What?
The trucks and the vet use the same cam part number.
Yeah. Cause folks they put LS7 cams and down 6.2s and 5.3 LSs.
Yeah.
Give it more torque, a little bit more power.
Katie, I can see everything through your glasses.
Damn, that shit long as fuck. They got about 1,000 threads on it. Why?
He just got the assembly lube back.
I just bought some.
Like he just went and got it.
Huh? Said throw it.
Like
It's gonna slip out my hand.
he just went and got like 5 minutes before you got here.
Like right before you pulled up, I heard you down here. When you was doing that light right there, oh, wherever you at, I was just getting out the car. Here. I got that Lucas.
That what?
Lucas.
And that, guys, is how you put a cam in the LT4.
Alright, so I got that cam put in there. Got the 0 degree lockout put in. I should have recorded that for y'all so y'all can see how the LT is. I mean the LT4 is versus the LT1. Your spots are gonna be a little bit different where your bolts are. But yeah. What else? Got the oil pump back tightened. I'm gonna have mark these so I know the torque. Mark that is torque as well. And I'll leave all the torque specs below. Got the new lifter trays put in, the new Chevy Performance lifters, the DOD block offs. So yeah, we're gonna start reassembling this thing, putting the I'm gonna put the real re-silicone on the pan and the front timing cover so we can put that on. And then basically go from there. So I'm just going to get it cleaned up and then place that thing back on there. Back with the Z06. I haven't been recording nothing much on for the YouTube video, but I went ahead and forgot to put the camera up and just finished the work. But got the flex fill kit installed. Got the harness here. You got that pin wire running all the way through the fender line. I mean, through the fender to the ECU. Also got the green belt for the supercharger. So got the 2.3 pulley. Got all those torqued. Got the K-Tech throttle body, so 103. You got the throttle body adapter. The Roto Fab big Gulp intake. What else we do? Oh, we got the headers on there, the new plugs. What else do we get on this car? You got the heads and everything built. Y'all saw that portion. Got everything torqued down, new head gaskets. So basically everything on this list. You got new lifters, lifter trays. You got the 0 degree lockout for the cam. The new, it's a PD1 camshaft from GPI. What else did we get? Got new cam bolts. Got new cam retainer plate, retaining bolts. We also did the ARP head studs. So let me see if you can see one of them. Oh, you can't see them, but we got the ARP head studs. Well, head bolts, I should say. What else? We got the train upgrade. Basically, a lot of new stuff that need to be replaced. Let's see what else. Got everything put back together. I'm gonna give y'all a start in a second. Oh, got the headers and then the connection pipes. Right now, tearing the dash apart so I can put this P3 gauge right here in the vent location. So once I finish that, I'll let y'all see that. I'll go ahead and start it up. I'm gonna also clean the car up for the customer because it's a little dusty. So yeah. Got the P3 gauge in there. We got a lot of cleaning up to do. We got the K-Tech, Pulley, headers, flex seal, heads, cam, intake. I'm telling you, go ahead and get us one of those clean installs, man. Go ahead and pull this wrap off so I can go ahead and wash it. And then let the customer come pick it up. They're going to take it to get tuned. And then we're going to go from there. It's like unwrapping a gift. Trying to let that cam break in and get the runtime on that camshaft. So if I see any issues, I can go ahead and get that fixed before the customer comes pick that up as well.